I'm Maria, a cake artist from Bangalore, India. I make custom cakes to celebrate all the special moments in life. I'd say I'm quite privileged to be a part of daily events in the lives of people around me, be it for weddings or birthdays, anniversaries, promotions, graduations, baptisms, housewarming, and even breakups. I started baking for friends and family about 10 years ago. They just simply loved everything I made, and it pushed me to make more and more new stuff each day. Soon I found myself making cakes and desserts for various occasions in the homes of my friends and family. Although I've dabbled in various kinds of cake baking and decorating, I'm prominently known for two things. One is my plum cake for Christmas, and the other is for my floral work in whipped cream using both palette knives and piping nozzles. Preparations for Christmas start months ahead, beginning with the sourcing of grapes from the beautiful town of Kambam in Theni, Tamil Nadu. These are brought home and then cleaned, washed, dried, and kept ready to be pulverized into the most delicious homemade wine that is our USP. The proportion of our fruit mix is intentionally decided to have just the right balance between sweet, sour, crunchy, and soft fruit. We have two versions of the Christmas cake, fruit and plum. The fruit cake is a lighter version, which is more everyday kind of addictive cake. The plum cake is loaded with fruits and is a much more deeper, darker, richer, and intense with flavor, owing to the larger variety of fruits that have been soaking up all the goodness of the homemade wine. I'm thankful to have clients who order from us year after year and feel extremely happy when I have my cakes shipped all across the country and abroad. The next few clips show some of the cakes that give me the most joy. Floral work on cakes using whipped cream. Whether you'd like to order a cake or learn aspects of cake decorating or even just to chat, I'd love to interact with you. Please also visit my page to see more of my work, and if you'd like to stay updated on new workshops or events that I conduct, that's where you will find me.